Going cold turkey, a deep dive into sudden change. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that's often used but not always understood. Going cold turkey. This phrase has a unique origin and is widely used in contexts of quitting habits or making sudden changes. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English idioms, this video will unpack everything you need to know about going cold turkey. Going cold turkey refers to the act of suddenly stopping a habit or addiction, rather than gradually easing out of it. It's most commonly used when talking about quitting drugs, alcohol, or smoking, but it can apply to any habit or routine. The key aspect of going cold turkey is the abruptness of the change, which is often accompanied by challenging withdrawal symptoms. The phrase, going cold turkey, has an interesting history. It's believed to have originated in the early 20th century, with several theories about its etymology. One popular theory suggests that it describes the physical state of a person in withdrawal, comparing their cold, clammy skin and goosebumps to the skin of a cold, plucked turkey. Understanding the origin of this phrase helps to appreciate its usage and the imagery it evokes. This phrase is versatile and can be used in various contexts, not just for substance withdrawal. For example, quitting sugar or caffeine cold turkey, stopping a bad habit cold turkey, like nail biting or excessive screen time. When using this phrase, it's important to convey the sense of immediacy and challenge associated with the action. It's a powerful way to describe a difficult but decisive break from a habit. To help you better understand how to use going cold turkey, let's look at some examples. After years of heavy smoking, he decided to go cold turkey. I'm going cold turkey on social media to focus on my exams. She went cold turkey from coffee and had headaches for a week. These examples showcase the phrase in action, highlighting the sudden nature of the change and the challenges that can accompany it. Going cold turkey is a powerful phrase that describes a tough but often necessary decision to make an immediate change. Whether it's quitting a harmful habit or simply trying to better oneself, the journey of going cold turkey is a testament to human willpower and resilience. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and usage of this fascinating phrase. Remember, understanding such idioms not only enriches your English vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.